Searching for the best quick detailer for black cars can be a challenging task. With so many brands and models to choose from, you are bound to find it pretty hard to settle down with the one that aligns with your needs. All quick detailers for black cars today come with different features and capabilities, meaning that more often than not, manufacturers are trying to offer you something. There are many products available to choose from spray detailer for black cars, each with several characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make a knowledgeable decision. I researched comprehensively, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best spray detailer for black cars from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products beneficial for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video to watch the best spray detailer for black cars. Number 1. Meguiar's G77 16 Gold Class Carnauba Plus Premium Quik Wax 16 ounces. Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus Premium Quik Wax provides the rich, warm shine and protection that only Carnauba wax can deliver. Perfect for all colors, and exceptional on black vehicles. This new addition to the Meguiar's Gold Class family is the answer to achieving a dark, wet-looking shine quickly. This premium spray wax is easy to mist on and wipe off, letting you easily achieve a deep, rich, more traditional wax finish. The plus in this formula means it will not leave a white residue on plastic or trim. And, unlike most waxes, our Gold Class Carnauba Plus Premium Quik Wax can be applied to a warm surface in direct sunlight. Number 2. Adams Detail Spray 16 ounces. Adams Detail Spray is our most iconic and versatile product. With so many uses, it's an auto detailer's Swiss Army knife. It can be used with a clay bar as a clay lube, pad primer, quick polishing booster, gloss enhancer, wax booster, waterless wash dust cleaner, and a drying aid. We call this fan favorite detail spray, others call it magic spray or the shiny stuff. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, detail spray is guaranteed to outshine the competition and has been the industry leader in providing high gloss, deep shine, and extending the life of your car wax or paint sealants. Detail spray is the choice for many auto detailing fanatics for car shows and events. Best of all, it's safe on plastic, windows, paint, and trim. Most store-bought detail sprays are packed full of fillers and hiders that give the false shine that only lasts a few minutes. Number 3. Solution Finish Black Plastic and Vinyl Plastic Trim Restorer. Solution Finish Trim Restorer restores black and gray surfaces to a deep, rich finish, without a wet look or shine. This unique formula combines ancient ingredients with advanced polymer technology to provide a spectacular, long-lasting, deep, protective finish. Use it to restore, condition, and protect bumpers, pads, trim, mirrors, mud flaps, window trim, seals, running boards, truck bed caps, covers, handles, wiper blades, etc. For best results, apply to a clean, cool surface, wearing gloves and eye protection. Before application, prep the desired area with 70% isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber towel. Apply a small amount of solution finish to an applicator pad, spread thin, and allow the solution to dwell for 1 to 2 minutes. Then, using a clean microfiber sponge or foam pad, buff off the excess product off glass and paint. Another big plus with solution finish is that it is formulated for professional use, meaning it is a silicone-free solution that uses all natural oils and is VOC compliant. If you are looking for a great product to help restore faded trim, look no further than Solution Finish Trim Restorer. Number 4. Chemical Guys Walk 21116 Synthetic Quik Detailer. Chemical Guys Synthetic Quik Detailer restores a deep wet shine in between full washes and details. Quik detail sprays lubricate the surface whenever wiping up light dirt and smudges, a crucial step to scratch and swirl-free buffing and wiping. Use Synthetic Quik Detailer to remove light dust, fingerprints, bird droppings, and freshwater spots from exterior automotive surfaces. Synthetic Quik Detailer takes any wax or sealant coating to the next level by adding super slick gloss and extra depth and shine. The new and improved Synthetic Quik Detailer formula features refined wetting agents for extended work time in the sun or humidity. Updated gloss enhancers for extra shine on any color paintwork, and gentle cleansers that protect wax and sealant coatings for extended protection over time. Synthetic Quik Detailer doubles as a slick and effective clay bar lube for unmatched versatility when detailing any car. Chemical Guy Synthetic Quik Detailer keeps your vehicle looking cleaner and shinier for longer. Number 5. Meguiar's A3332 Quik Detailer. Meguiar's Quik Detailer removes dust, fingerprints, and harmful contaminants like water spots and bird droppings before they can damage your paint finish. Our safe high lubricity formula lifts dirt and grime without scratching or swirling while enhancing gloss without buildup. This convenient spray detailer lets you simply spray on and wipe off for quick and easy maintenance between washes and wax applications. Safe and effective on clear coats and single-stage paint. Intended for use with a premium microfiber towel like Meguiar's Supreme Shine Microfiber Towels X 2020. Also, ideal as a clay lubricant with Meguiar's Smooth Surface Clay Kit G1016. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. If you need any more valuable information or if you wanted to know product's original price, do check out my description. For any kind of problems, please write a comment below. I can help you anytime further. Stay updated with our products as it will make your file much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.